Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable one-hand mode on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on accessibility and convenience. And from here, you will find the option of one-hand mode. Just tap on it, then enable this toggle to enable one-hand mode on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, to turn on one-hand mode, you need to enable navigation gestures first. Since one-hand mode does not work on button navigations, we will have to change the navigation bar from button navigations to gesture navigations. Just enable this toggle and select settings. From here, instead of buttons, just select gestures. Now, if you want to learn the gesture navigations, just tap on learn. Otherwise, you can tap on cancel. After you enable gesture navigations, then go back and enable one-hand mode. And once you do that, you will be able to turn on one-hand mode by swiping down from the bottom of the screen. Just like that. Now to turn off one-hand mode, you can tap on the empty space over here, or you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen, just like that. Now if you cannot find the one-hand mode option under the accessibility settings, then in the main settings page, just search one-hand mode. And this is how you can enable one-hand mode on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.